Hello, this is Elon Stredny, President of Palindrome Consulting. Today's tech tip will be on how to password protect an Excel file. I am using the Office 365 version of Excel, but other versions are extremely similar. Let me show you how. So, in order to protect a file, in particular an Excel file on Office 365 with a password, is relatively easy. You go to File, Info, then Protect Workbook, Encrypt with Password. Now it's important that you select a good password, but one that you will remember, because it will ask you to type it in a second time. Then that document is already protected, and when you need to open it again, as I will show you right now, so when you open the file, here you go. It's asking you for the password. You will have to re-enter it in order for the file to open. I hope you found this helpful. Remember to subscribe to our channel and to like our video. Thank you.